This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove dashboard Infiniti G35 Easy Guide. Start by disconnecting the battery, remove the trim around the instrument cluster with a plastic pry tool, and unfasten visible screws. Remove the center bezel, disconnect HVAC and radio connectors, then unbolt the dash with a 10 mm socket. Keep screws organized and label plugs to simplify reassembly, working slowly and using gentle force to avoid breaking clips. Use a soft trim tool to pry off vents and the center bezel, then unscrew mounting bolts and pull the assembly forward carefully. Disconnect electrical connectors for HVAC, radio, and hazard switch by pressing tabs while wiggling gently. Inspect hidden screws under cup holders and storage bins and remove them with a Phillips driver. Keep a magnetic tray for fasteners and photograph each step so reassembly is quick and accurate. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more car guides. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long garage days and bending under dashboards. Check the description for the link and other deals to quickly grab a pair that lasts. Thanks for supporting the channel, and now let's get back to the video. Support the dash with a padded jack or helper before removing the main crossbolt to prevent sagging or damage. Open and remove the glove box. Disconnect the airbag connector only after battery is off and wait 5 minutes to discharge residual power. Locate and remove the bracket bolts near the windshield and footwells, then slide the dash forward slowly while checking for trapped wiring or clips. Keep work area tidy to avoid losing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.